Hi flower friends! We have some lovely flowers to work with today, and I thought I would just show you a simple yet beautiful flower arrangement with gerberas, roses, and tulips. Now this classic combination can be dressed up by using a brushed silver container like this, or even made country chic with a white basket just like this. But today we're using a tapered glass vase, perfect for your home or to give as a gift. Okay, so we have this beautiful tapered glass vase, and what I've done off camera is actually gridded the top of the vase with some thin florist's tape. And what that will do is that will help hold our stem securely in place. The water that is in the vase has been mixed with flower food. It's really important to remove all the foliage off of the stems, making sure there are no leaves or anything like that that will get in the water, because that will create bacteria and that will also shorten the vase life of your blooms. That first flower that I added is called stock, and it is a beautiful flower, and it also has this almost spicy smell to it. The next flower that I'm adding is some purple hosta blooms, and this might be kind of unusual to some folks, but I love to go out into my garden in the early morning and just pick some blooms and branches perhaps and add those to my flower arrangements. It's kind of a nice personal touch too. The next blooms are these beautiful large white gerbera daisies. Now there are many different ways to design a flower arrangement. It really depends on the types of flowers you're working with and the style that you're going for. You can make them asymmetrical, you can make them round, crescent shaped. There's lots of different options, but today we're going for kind of a modified oval design. So as I turn the Lazy Susan, you can see that the stems are crisscrossing in the vase down at the bottom. And you want that because that will help hold your design securely in place, in addition to the tape at the top of the vase. The next piece that I'm adding are these nice hot pink spray roses. They're gorgeous. See on the table that I have two tools today. I have a pair of clippers, and then I also have a knife which has a pink handle, and that's super sharp, but it helps me work really quickly when I'm making flowers. The next thing that I'm adding are those beautiful tulips. Now, tulips are long lasting, and thanks to modern technology and transportation, are actually available most year round now. They tend to grow and bend towards the light after they're cut. You'll notice on those mums that they have a little white net over the head, and really all that's doing is just protecting the petals, making sure they don't shatter when you touch them, because mums tend to lose their petals pretty easily. It's July here in New England, and my garden is just so full and bursting with fresh mint. I love to add herbs to my vase arrangements as well. It really gives kind of a nice little fragrance when you walk by it. And mint is great because it lasts a really long time and has some beautiful, bright green leaves. Now, as you're finishing your arrangement, you'll notice that I crouch down a few times to just look into the vase and make sure that all the stems are going into the water. That's really important. And also it helps to make sure that everything looks good from each angle. You'll see that I'm struggling a little bit with this particular stem. It's actually bent, and I just wanted to make sure that it went all the way into the vase. This last flower that I'm adding is actually oregano, also from my garden. It's a light lavender and it acts as a great filler flower as well. You could use statice, waxflower, baby's breath, any of those items work as well. And as you finish your arrangement, you might want to just step back and take a look at it. Make sure that it looks great from every angle. You might adjust the flowers or tweak them as needed, but overall, I'm happy with this design. And there you have it, a beautiful, long-lasting flower arrangement. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.